Price elasticity of demand is defined as the percent change in quantity over the percent change in price. I'm going to briefly go over how we calculate percent change in quantity and percent change in price, and then we're going to move to an example problem where we calculate the price elasticity of demand. So for calculating the percent change, which is all we really need for this problem, all we do is take the old value minus the new value and then divide that by the average of the old and the new values. Now let's take this to an example problem. Here we have a simple demand schedule. With price and quantity demanded, we can calculate the price elasticity of demand. Let's start by calculating the percent change in quantity. Let's take our old quantity first, 14. We subtract out our new quantity, 10, and then divide by the average of the two quantities. The average of 10 and 14 is 12. This gets us 1/3. 1/3 is the percent change in quantity. Now, we do the same thing with price. Start with our old price, 2, subtract out our new price, 3, and divide by the average of 2 and 3, 2.5. This gives us -2/5. Now, to finish off the price elasticity of demand, we simply divide 1/3 by -2/5. This gives us -5/6. -5/6 is our price elasticity of demand. Now, typically price elasticity of demand is shown as an absolute value, and this value would be shown as just 5/6 instead of -5/6, but either way is correct. This tells us that if we increase price by 1%, quantity demanded will go down by 5/6%.